stomached a lot. And I just pray to God that I never blow up.
What do you mean if you say you're stomached a lot?
The intrigues, the scheming, the machinations. I have stomached a lot, but after 5 years of the passing away of President Mills, I know that I won't, because the attempt to cut one off, not because you are lazy, not because you are inefficient, but only because you are loyal to the president.
Some people thought that you were actually power drunk.
How?
Maybe from the way you spoke.
And I'm saying that I spoke only out of conviction and from knowledge, a position of knowledge.
And maybe the kinds of words you use.
What words? What you tell me?
Maybe I may not have a list of those words.
So it means that if I actually use certain words, it would have stuck in your mind, on your mind by now. There's nothing. It's just look, and let me use this opportunity. Maybe I'll use this opportunity. Then after the death of President Mills, all the attempt to bury me with him, with some vile propaganda that I used to disrespect Vice President Mahama when he was Vice President. I used to prevent him from seeing the president.
Having access to the president.
Gifty, there's a dedicated corridor that links the Vice President's office to the President's office. So did I have some magic potion to always know that the Vice President was moving to the President's place? So I went, put a police barrier and prevent him from seeing his boss.
Maybe not physically, but when there are certain things that have to be done. Why do you think people say?
How was it going to happen?
But why do you think people say that?
That's what I'm saying. This is part. It is President Koku was loyal to President Mills, and like you are saying, he was that close to power. President Mills is gone. Why should he be close to power again? Let's cut him off. After all, what?
So there was an attempt to cut you off completely.
Bury him alive. And I say, why? We know them, but it doesn't worry me. What will make me hold the Vice President's shirt? And I'm hoping that one day I'll have a one-on-one with him, and we can have this chat and know that between the two of us, we can dispel it.
So it's been 5 years now. You still haven't had a one-on-one chat with him?
No.
Why so?
I don't know.
Did you approach him? Did you try?
I'm saying that, all I'm saying is that the vile propaganda to create the wrong impression.
But did you try to dispel this notion? There's
always an opportune time.
It's not yet?
Like I'm having today.
The opportune time is not yet?
I'm not going to hold a press conference actually. But moments like these will provide the opportunity for us to have, for me to tell my side of the story.
Do you know if
I have suffered a lot of pain. I will not worry about that.
Speaking on governance by the NPP since January, he said the Kufuor